How to get rid of dog urine smell in the ground. If you are planning a barbecue in your garden but your dogs tend to urinate all over the place, the smell may put you off a garden party. Especially in the summer heat, the urine smell can be extremely whiffy, so you may want to treat the soil to remove the bad odor. Most products used indoors will do the job to remove foul urine smell from your ground too, although you will need some gardening equipment to turn the soil. Things you'll need: spade, baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, lime juice, water, bucket, spray bottle. Dig up the ground using a spade where the foul urine smell is most persistent to a 1-foot depth. Mix 10 ounces of baking soda, 1 ounce of hydrogen peroxide, 8 ounces of fresh lime juice and half a gallon of water in a bucket using a stirrer. Fill up a spray bottle with the mixture and spray it over the smelly ground. Repeat the spraying process several times if necessary. If the smell persists, make a larger amount of the mixture and pour it directly from the bucket over the smelly ground and turn the soil once again. Add a liquid air freshener of your choice or oil ointments to the mixture to cover urine smell. Tips: warnings. Look for specialized dog urine smell removers at pet stores if you cannot deal with the problem using baking soda.